Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to do a reinforcement of algebra, a reinforcement of basics of algebra, right? Um, mm, Reinforcement because you have done this previously in some previous videos. So we are doing the reinforcement. First of all, what variable is? We have learnt that x, y, a, b, p, q. These are the variables in an expression, and these are the variables of algebra, right? So what are these variables? These variables is a letter. These are letters that respond or represent an unknown number. Unknown number, why we are saying this as unknown number? It means that this unknown number is having some value, means this letter is having some value, and that value can be changed. We can write x equals to 1, x equals to 2, x equals to 3, because this value is not fixed. That why we call it variable. That is originating from variate, means change, right? So we can change the value. Secondly, we have our here is our next term. This is what you have done in previous grades as well. Second thing is constant. Constant means that this value doesn't change, right? Constant means value doesn't change. Means if I write value not change. If I write 1, 1 means 1. We cannot write 1 equals to 2, 1 equals to 3, because 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3. The constant in algebra, the constant are usually written, not always, usually written with variables or in addition or subtraction with a variable, or multiplication or division, right? So these are constant. This is called as coefficient, right? Constant coefficient, and this is constant. So the variable without the term without any x and y is called as constant, and this cannot be changed. Now what is term? Term is, if I write 3x plus 3y, there are two terms. First term is 3x, second term is 3y, right? So term represent a coefficient and a variable, right? If it is multiplying, then this is called as coefficient. Coefficient and variable are multiplying, then this makes a term. Now what are like terms? What are like terms? Like terms are if the variable with the term, variable means 5y and 3y, if this variable is same with two terms, then these terms are called as like terms. Coefficient, ignoring the coefficient, you will just see the variable. If variable is same, like if y and y is both, then it is like term. If it is y square and y, it is not like term, because one is square and one is without square. So one y, second y, so this makes what? Like terms. Y and y square doesn't make like terms. So this should be exactly same. Variable should be exactly same for like terms. If it is not, then we have another term for it, unlike terms, right? So this y and y square is unlike term. Okay, next is expression. Expression is the combination of terms, right? If I am writing 3x plus 3y, this whole makes an expression, right? And this is made up of two terms, term 1 plus term 2. So combination of two terms is called as expression. Okay. Now what is equation? Equation, obviously equation means in which we have equal sign. Equal sign means what? For example, I have x plus 5 equals to 9. It is having an equal sign with it. That's why it is called as equation, algebraic equation. If it doesn't have equal sign, it is just x plus 5, it is called as expression. So if I ask you what is difference between expression and equation, what you will tell me? Equation is equal to something, and expression that is equal to something is called as equation, and expression is the combination of two terms. We have read it earlier. Now what is equality? Inequality. Inequality means, if I write, inequality means if I write x is less than 5, it means it is not equal sign. it is less or greater, or you can say greater or equal, right? Then this is also inequality, right? So this is the thing, if it is not exactly equal, like x equals to 5, it is this or this make it as inequality. I hope you got it. Okay, now what is open sentence? Open sentence means that contains a variable but answer is not found. For example, I have written x plus 5 equals to 7. Here answer is not found. Answer of variable is not found. You are just given with the open sentence from which you can find the answer, but the answer is not found yet. Closed sentence is 5 plus 3 equals to 8. Very clear statement, 8 is equal to 8. It means there is no doubt about it. We have found the answer, we have proven it. Okay, 5 plus 3 equals to 8. This is a open sentence. If I am saying 9 is less than 4, it is also an closed sentence, because there is no doubt about it that it is a false statement. Okay, it is true or either false, both are closed statements, closed sentence, sorry. This is quick summary. First of all, we have learnt about variable are x, y, a, b, p, q, which value can change, which value can variate. Also constant are which values do not change. For example, 1, 2, 3, the term that is written in plus or minus is called as constant. Also the term that is multiplying, right, it is also called as coefficient. Term is 3x. Like terms are that are having same variable. Expressions are, sorry, unlike terms are that are not same. Expressions are making up by the two terms or three terms or more than two terms. Okay, then there is x plus 5 equals to 9. That is an equation because it is having an equal. Inequality is if it is not equal, greater, less or equal, greater or equal, then this is inequality. And open sentences, x plus 5 equals to 7. For example, we don't know the answer yet, so that is an open sentence. Closed sentences, we know the answer, either is true or false, both are closed sentence. That's it. I hope you like the video. If you liked it, please write one example of each and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.